Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Lightroom manages, Photoshop creates. Together, they form the most powerful photographic pipeline in professional practice. In Lightroom, cull, organize, and apply global tonal corrections across your entire shoot. When an image needs complex retouching, frequency separation, composite elements, AI tools, right-click and choose Edit in Photoshop. The image opens directly, carrying all your Lightroom adjustments. Work in Photoshop, save and close. The retouched version returns automatically to your Lightroom catalog, stacked next to the original, both preserved, both accessible. No manual file management, no broken folder structures. The two applications hand the image back and forth seamlessly, each doing exactly what it does best.